Pilipino laban sa Pilipino. Bayan laban sa sariling bayan. Today, the wound is clear. Flood control projects are left and open. Funds are taken. And life gets hard because of corruption. As a dedicated public servant, this is not a failure of concrete. This is a failure of conscience. Not until from the silence of the past, the present shouts, the youth and students are questioning, and all people are reminding that this nation belongs to us, Filipinos. And with that, history always reminds us that a nation does not fall because it is full, but because it is divided. And a nation does not rise because it is rich, but because it is united. At kung ang tinig ng bayan ay magkakaisa, ang kasaysayan, ang sugat ng kasaysayan